Hello, how are you? Today we shall learn about how to align different items in HTML. In the last video we were given a task to publish a poem. The poem should be like this. The poem should be right aligned and it should have a background image. Today we shall learn how to right align this poem. Currently it is left aligned. Let's go back to the code editor. We can align different tags with align attribute. Let's try to do the first one, the heading one. So this is the way to add the align attribute. We have discussed about attributes or what is attribute in our attributes video. Please check the playlist. So in order to add the align attribute, we need to add a space after the h1 tag and then add the align word and then equal to, and then we have double quote, and inside we have to put the value. This value can be either left or center or right. So I shall put left and check the effect, reload. So you see, if we inspect, this is aligned left, but it is already on the left side, so there is no change. What if we want to place the heading one in center area? So put center, reload. So you see the heading one is now in the center, but we want it on the right, so I'll change the value as right and reload it. So the value is now on the right. Okay, now I'll copy the align attribute as right and paste it here, save it and reload it. So our poet is on the right side. Now we have to do the poem. How to do this? Same technique. The align attribute can be applied to almost all tags, so it will be also appropriate for the paragraph tag. I'll paste it, save and reload. You see the paragraph is on the right side. Let's do the same for other paragraphs. Paste, 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 save, reload, and you see this poem is done. So this was the requirement, so it is now done. Later we will need to add the background image, but I will close the video here. In the next video we will discuss about how to add the background image. Thank you, see you later.